Okay, so today's strength training tip. Leave the ego at home and focus on time under tension. Now this goes hand in hand with performing your exercises slowly and under complete control, which I spoke about a few days ago. However, I really want to double down on it because I see so many people do their exercises way too fast, and in many cases, way too fast and way too heavy. So let's be 100% clear right now. Your muscles don't know how much weight you are lifting. They only know the tension you are putting through them. Therefore, you can leave the ego at home, and instead of going too heavy and too fast so that you can tell your friends how much weight you can lift, focus on contracting the muscle through its full range of motion, slowly and under complete control, even if you need to use a lighter weight. For example, if I, or someone else, gives you 12 reps to complete of an exercise, if you go as fast as you can, and it only takes you 12 to 20 seconds to complete the exercise, then obviously your muscles' time under tension will only be 12 to 20 seconds. Whereas, if you follow my tempo guideline of 1030 from my previous video, it will take you 4 seconds to complete each rep, and therefore, your muscles' time under tension will now be 48 seconds. This is a considerable difference in time under tension in just one set. Now imagine adding up all the exercises and sets you complete within your workouts, and how much time under tension you are missing out on if you go too fast. So leave the ego at home. Use a lighter weight if needed, and focus on maximizing your muscles' time under tension.